Yawa no inde ma wete?
Inde am mawnde Fatima.
Sin ko ma faru ɗum ko heɓi on ɗo yarde?
To minon imin jooɗi imin ɗonki. Sai min gi'i ɓe iwoyi ɗo. Daga ɗon imi jo imi dari yaasi. Daga min ma wuddere ko mi jogi. Sai wira haɓe ɗon gara non mi raari mi wiɓe. Shikenan non mi roɓori. Non mi doggi mi gangari. Te ɓe jotti ɓe makki wuro. Ɓe gudanini wuro. Ceede an 350. Ceede nagge. Nden gude kam kadi mami limata. Ko woni nder suudu am min wala ko wurti ko bo liliyel. Ko liliyel ni. Haɗum da ko ko wurti. Ko ñamete. Komai da komai. Ko masarari. Ɗum fu woya. Ɗum fuka ɗum wuddi kap.
Amma fin idan ko jaɓa mo kun yarde arande.
Imanu.
O kin amana na.
Kimi amana.
Shekara guda.
To. Ma dalla.
Imanu kin yarde ko jodo fa abada.
Min jodo i goddo ba. To
on gardo en ta'addaji en gareji din.
Goddo wari ta sandaje yo da sandaje tato debbo. O gar i sokkoto nyalawma. Be tawiya min i wodi goddo do min gondi goto. Ibe meta murto suudu. Be bi tora do on banga do ko min jeedo mi wonno on Sokoto o wi min gida duma min kokkira o lebbi didi o wi mi wada du ko wino lebbi didi mi kokkita o amma on bagay lebbi didi.
They burnt all our belongings, including our foodstuffs. Amina, another victim, disclosed that they were attacked on 17th of March during the Ramadan, adding that all their belongings were set ablaze.
Aka kone mamu gidan. Aka sa wuta muna sa ruwa aka kone gida ni aka dauke ni aka ce za a sa wuta.
She lamented that they celebrate Eid al-Fitr in hunger with nothing to rejoice about.
Ba abin shi, ba zannuwa, ba taberma, ba kudi. Mu yi sallah kamar mutu wanda bai yi sallah ba. Duk an kone.
The very day they attacked us, 2 of our women who were heavily pregnant delivered babies. As we later found out, since they had no shelter, rain fell on the newborn babies and their mothers. And as I speak to you now, they are all sick and we don't have money to take them to the hospital. We need the government and other public-spirited individuals to help us and also investigate this matter.
Me gwamnati ya taimake mu ya bamu abinda muna shi. Abinda muna roƙo kenan. A bamu ancin mu, a raba mu da wannan mutum. A bamu a wurin da muna zauna.
They also disclosed that it was the owner of the land, one Emmanuel, who fenced it and asked them to build their house on it, pending on when he will use the land. When contacted, the spokesperson of the Ogun State Police, Omolola Odutola, said although she is not aware of the incident, the herders, according to her, are residing in shanties, which is unlawful, as they are illegal structures that breed criminals.